Give it to me like.
I know, this isn't the kind of place you'd expect a streamlined production line. The roads are messy, the ports are slow, the traffic's chaotic. But we chose Bangladesh on purpose, because if you build the right structure, this place can work surprisingly well. And today, I want to show you exactly that. How we run our production here, and how do we make the conclusion of MOQ 5000 PCs for jacket. So let's start from the beginning. Everything starts in China. All design work, paper patterns, and samples are done here. We source every component here too: fabric, reflective tape, zippers, threads, trims, even labels and polybags. And before anything ships out, we prepare a full bilingual production pack. We're talking cutting markers, graded patterns, BOM material consumption sheets, manufacturing sheets, bilingual material cards, and a 100% correct sample. Why so much preparation? Because once materials ship, they're at sea for 30 to 40 days. If something's wrong, we can't just fix it tomorrow. For example, if your documents aren't clear, your sample isn't right, or your materials arrive half-packed, production will be chaos. We've had those mistakes before: missing size labels, misread instructions, customs holdups. But we took every issue seriously. We mapped out the flow. We translated every step. We trained the local team. We assigned Chinese engineers in every major project. So now, we're not just outsourcing to Bangladesh. We're running our own system in another country. Talking about the Chinese staff, we do appreciate our great colleagues there to help to local people to read the old documents and guide the production. They make us feel safe while in faraway China truly. And here's something most people don't realize. A single production line in Bangladesh can have 80 to 100 people. Each person handles one specific step: sewing a shoulder seam, attaching a zipper, top stitching a reflective tape. It's extremely specialized. That's how we control quality and speed. But here's the trade-off. This kind of fine division line setup is only efficient when we run 5,000 pieces or more. Anything less, and you're stopping the line, retraining workers, increasing defect rates, and wasting fabric. So 5,000 isn't a random threshold. It's the point where the production system runs cleanly, stably, and predictably. We build a flow that's precise, repeatable, and fully traceable. And for small test runs, no problem. We do those in China, much more flexible. The point is, we're not saying 5,000 to scare people off. We're saying it because we've tested the limits of the system, and this is where it performs best. If you're placing a big order, you want that confidence. You want fewer surprises. That's what this MOQ protects. Not just our factory, but your delivery, your quality, your timeline. If you've got any questions, just drop me a message. I'm always happy to chat.